Oh guys, this is your buttercup. Me.
It's our second time.
Second time we're here. We like it here. We like the food. Oh, the food is so good. The chicken is so good. The picture is so good. Everybody, everything is so good here. Yeah, it's very nice. That's margarita, no? Yeah, it looks so good. Okay guys, this is after our meeting today, staff meeting. So we decided to come up here with my friends down here. Hello guys, how are you doing? Hi. Uy.
Hi.
Hello baby girl.
Hi.
Say something. How's your food, baby girl?
This is so good.
So good, right?
You must try. When you go to
Yeah.
Pecos, guys, you have to stop by.
Yeah, it's really good. I like the food here. Yeah. All right. Okay, guys, let's eat. Let's eat first. I gotta eat. Thank you for watching.
Look at the complimentary bread, guys.
Is it so tasty?
When you open it, it's so hairy.
Hairy, wow.
Right?
Wow, that's so
Then
hairy.
you're gonna pull it.
It's like a fire pulley.
It's so good.
Totoo si baby girl, oh.
That's enough.
That's it. Ikaw talaga, baby girl. Hello guys, good morning. Where we came from? A meeting, staff meeting, and then we decided to eat here. What's the name of the restaurant, baby girl?
Artist Italian.
Yeah, we've been here before, right? Masarap, bro. Isama na kayo sa vlog ko. Ha? Isa ha? Ay, here we go. Can you say hi, my friend? Can you say hi?
Kain.
Kain na. What about you, bro? Here we go. That's my bro. How, my friend? Hi. Baby girl, can you say something?
Here's my Italian cream cake. It's my
Oh, wow. What did you order?
restaurant.
Yeah.
Because they don't have the one that I ordered last time.
Yeah, we came back here because the food is so good. Yeah. All right.